Hi everyone, Angela here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to use a breast pump efficiently and make your feeding routine easier. Before we start, if you have questions or need support, check the link in the description. I'm here to help. First, parts of your pump are clean and sterilized. Find a relaxing spot position. The breast shield correctly and start with low suction to stimulate letdown. Once the milk starts flowing, adjust the suction to a comfortable level and pump for about 15 to 20 minutes. When you're done, store the milk in clean labeled containers and refrigerate or freeze it right away. Clean your pump parts thoroughly and let them air dry for the next session. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.